Well, hello lovely peoples. Welcome back. Alright, chicken curry. Oh, this one's a beauty. Let's just get straight into it. Chicken, 400 to 500 grams of breast chicken, 3 decent sized tomatoes, a large onion, Greek style yoghurt, of course. Any plain yoghurt will do. Now you need garlic, so either 4 cloves of fresh garlic or 4 heaped teaspoons of minced garlic out of the jar. Now if you've got fresh ginger, you want a tablespoon grated, but I've got the jar ginger, so I'm just going to use a tablespoon of that. We need stock, chicken stock. We need garam masala. I always say these wrong. Coriander seeds grounded. Cumin grounded. Yes, I won't tell you how I used to say it. Turmeric or turmeric grounded. I serve mine on basmatti rice, but you can serve it on any rice that you want. Chop up your tomatoes into really small pieces. Chop up your onion into really small pieces. Once you've done that, get a few measuring cups and that out ready to go, and let's cook. The first thing I've done is put a pot of water on to start heating up for the rice. Alright, so get your pan hot or your saucepan. A little splash of olive oil. Four cloves of crushed garlic you put in now if you're using fresh, or 4 heaped teaspoons of minced garlic out the jar. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, or 1 grated tablespoon of fresh ginger. Mix them all up and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is see-through. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds grounded, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric. Alright, I want to mix them all up and saute it for 1 minute until we can smell it all. Add the chicken. Tomato. 2 cups of stock. Chicken stock. Now mix it in really well. Alright, we want to bring it up to a boil, and then we want to turn it straight down to a simmer, which is a really soft boil, so it's just bubbling. And we want to do that for about 20 minutes. This is the consistency you want it. It's perfect. Oh, smells so good in here. Alright, so now that we've got it like that, that's exactly how you want it. Now I just want to say that on camera it looks bright yellow, but it's not. It's a really deep, dark yellow colour. Alright, so now we've got it like that. We turn it off or take it off the heat, one or the other, and leave it sit for a couple of minutes. Now while it's sitting, we want to get a cup of yoghurt ready, and then we'll be ready to serve. Oh, and get your lemon wedges ready. 1 cup of yogurt in. Oh, yum. Mix it all through. Yum. Let's serve it up. Rice on the plate. Alright, putting a hole in the middle. I know it's old school, but it works. Oh, it's amazing curry. I like to put a few fresh leaves of coriander and a lemon. We'll pretend that's a ripe lemon off my tree, not a non-ripe one. Well, there you have it, folks. Chicken curry. Family friendly. Not hot, alright? It's just beautiful. If you want it hot, sprinkle a little bit of fresh chilli over the top and you're laughing. But yeah, this is good for the whole family. Oh, it's so good. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.